What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. All my cars are in the shop, so we won't be working on any of my cars today. Instead, we're gonna be working on our friend Frankie's GT3 RS. He just picked up an MFR splitter kit for his GT3 RS. It should be right over here. Dude, this thing actually looks really new. Oh, it is brand new, right? Sorry, I got confused. So basically, Edmund Mondi, he has a GT3 RS that he had MFR's splitter kit on there. He was actually selling his used, and someone else scooped it up right before we were able to get to it. But we did get his APR wing, so that's why I was a little confused. We actually bought a new MFR kit for his GT3 RS. But yeah, like I said, Edmund Mondi did sign the APR wing we did buy from him. Right there, that's pretty cool. So Frankie already installed this 79-inch wing. So pretty massive, but it goes flush with the fenders on each side. It's actually perfect for it. It doesn't look like it's gonna be too hard. Looks like maybe 6 bolts for the front or the back. Got like 6 for the sides. I don't know what those things are. This is the front piece right here. One of the crazy things about this kit is that we actually have to cut apart the stock bumper. So we actually only used about half of the stock rear bumper, and then it has all these rods and whatnot that go to it. Oh, we gotta just drill straight into the bumper like that?
I have to take this shield out. Oh. It's like welded into.
Oh yeah, because all this is exposed, right? Frankie, that's a concrete bit. You're trying to go through metal, my friend. This could be a little while. All right, guys, crisis averted. We almost screwed up. We almost messed up Frankie's brand new Porsche, but we hung on by a thread. So anyways, woo, that was scary. But now we are working on, well, Frankie just realized he didn't have to drill out those rivets. There's actually a nut on the other side. So he's getting that off. I'm working on the exhaust system now. Holy cow. What are you gonna do with this thing? It's trash? Can you sell it?
Yeah, that's expensive, man.
Really? Hey.
Why would I do
Yeah, you don't trash any
2
part
stock
of the
GT3 RS mufflers for sale. You guys know anybody that wants them? Oh, and another one. Whoa! Bro, the amount of wind that comes out of this thing is crazy. All right, guys, so we got a whole box of brackets and whatnot. Ooh, cool looking parts here. Everything's labeled very nicely, so we know exactly where they're going, and they gave us a little instruction manual. All right, so we're making some progress. We're about to cut up the bumper, but before we do that, I want to show you guys where we're at. So we took out pretty much all the intake for the air intake for the air intake box. We've got all the heat shield out of here. We mounted some new brackets, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on each side. Now what we have to do is we have to cut this bumper. I know it sounds crazy. I think it's like a $5,000 bumper, but we had to cut this bumper in half. So what is it? You said this line right here?
Yep.
So we're gonna follow this line all the way around. Basically, no, we're keeping like 1/3 of the bumper. 2/3 of the bumper is gonna be gone. All right, so according to MFR, basically you're supposed to cut all the way up almost to the taillights there. What we're gonna try to do is switch it up a little bit. We're going to use this line right here. Gonna follow that line all the way across, and then we're gonna come down right here. We're gonna see what that looks like first. If it looks good, we'll keep it like that. If we don't like it, then we can go back to the original line, how MFR does, and goes all the way to the top. You can always cut off more, but you can't add, right?
Why are we doing this?
Oh, why are we doing this? So just cut that right there, cut that right there. All right, guys, $5,000 bumper. Taking a Dremel to it. Got air protection on? Brilliant. Brilliant. All right.
That's it.
All right.
Bumper delete.
All done. Oh, you're just going for it, huh? Wait, do you know which line you're going with? You're just going with that one, huh?
Yeah, we're gonna go like this, right?
Oh man, that is not the line we were talking about. I'm just kidding. No, you can always go back and go more.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, of course. You can always take off more. You can't add though. What's your game plan after that?
I was just gonna go like this. Maybe we should draw a line.
Yeah, let's draw a line.
Maybe. Maybe we should draw a line.
These people are gonna be. Oh, do we have a Sharpie? So here's the GT3 RS in full. We still got the side skirts to do, the front diffuser to do. We got a lot of work. We're trying to get this all done in a day. Definitely don't think that's happening. It's definitely gonna be a couple day project.
So we just follow this.
Oh yeah, they're basically the same. Cool. You're gonna follow that exactly?
I'm gonna eyeball it.
Just a freaking boss. No given. Alright guys, so we're having a hard time figuring out what we want to do here.
What should
The
we
original.
do? Comment down below.
Comment down below. What should we do? We're gonna probably already decide this in a second. But basically, in the pictures, it tells you basically to cut here, so you remove all of that bottom portion. We were thinking about switching it up a little bit, making it a little different, and keeping the sides. Or actually, we're just obviously, you know, once you cut it off, you can't go back. So we're kind of just going in steps to kind of figure out exactly the look we want. I think now what we're gonna do is go ahead and put the diffuser on, and maybe that'll give us a better idea. We just installed these tie rods that are basically going to support the top portion of the diffuser.
I'll put it on.
All right, so Frankie and JC are just finished up putting on these tie rods, tightening them up. What do you guys think? Do we keep the remaining portion of the bumper, or do we cut it at the blue line? I don't know. I think we need to put up those other pieces. What do you think? Cut the bumper, keep the bumper. All right, guys, so we have made the executive decision to cut these bad boys off. We're gonna cut them right there. We had our pre-existing line, and then we're just gonna take it to the very top of this black piece. Dude, not gonna lie, that was pretty nice.
Yeah.
Now let's just not puncture the tire. All right, guys, I think we made the right decision. So this is it cut off. That looks so much better, actually. That looks like race car. That looks so good. So this is with it out. That looks nice too.
You're gonna leave the car?
But I guess if you're gonna do something like this,
Frank?
you might as well just take it all off. God, it looks so good. All right, guys, so we went with the cut off the rear bumper, the bottom portion there. I think we made the right choice. It looks straight up like a race car now. I can't wait to get the rest of the stuff put together, but it's closing time. Shop is closing up now, so we will have to continue this next time. This may take about 2 or 3 more days. If you guys want to continue to watch this build, please let me know in the comments below. Let me know you guys want a part 2 or part 3. The C8 is still in the shop waiting for body panels and the Pro Charger, and the C5 is still waiting for its transmission. C5 should be done in about 2 to 3 weeks. C8, I don't know, 1 to 2 months. But yeah, guys, if y'all like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. We'll see you guys next video.